Hi everybody, let's talk about how to ask something, inquiry or some kind of issue, some kind of concern when you share in public. I'm sorry. So be ready for the outcome as well. So the outcome comes accordingly, right? So for the very first thing you have to keep in mind when you are looking for help, this is a help. You are looking somebody help you to get you out of the situation or out of the mindset you are worried for, or your concern is hitting you hard, or your सॉरी फिज़िकल एंड इमोशनल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड आपको कुछ ना कुछ परेशान कर रही है. यू आर नॉट एट देयर, यू आर नॉट राइट, यू हैव नॉट reaching to any point which make you feel better about it. So the very first important point, number one, is you have to ask yourself how much you willing to help to sort this issue. Let's suppose it's an emotional time going on you, like it's some kind of attachment or some kind of detachment, because these both are very extreme emotions we always work with. They are with us throughout the life. So if you are going through detachments, then you're going to ask somebody about it. Then you really have to work from yourself first. You have to ask whatever issues I'm gonna tell to people, how severe these to me, how much I am taking them. So if you find that level, that sort of level, that I'm gonna ask them that I cannot sleep at nights, I am keep on thinking, like you are overthinking. So you want to know more about overthinking, or you want to know about keeping this relationship or not, right? So this kind of small triggers which we having in our mind, we have a kind of a ball of stress. So this stress is hitting you hard from everywhere. But when you ask in particular lines, particular subject, it's a group, it's a people all over from everywhere, and they have also their own sort of stress balls with them also to remember this, because whoever gonna answer you, they also been facing some kind of issues in their own life too. So it depends. Some person is very religious, he have a strong belief, he is a believer of, she is a believer of on her prayers. So she will come up with those sort of answer for you, replies for you. She will try to vent you for this, she will try to explain you that how I did and I got it. So spirituality, the mindset is very important. Definitely it works. It is the most way on it, that which is goes by the religious and spirituality matters, like we giving ourselves some kind of mindset, peace of mind through the religious activities like praying, or some kind of wazifas, or some kind of proper kind of a thing which is relevant to religion. So next comes, people have gone through, so they will talk to you regarding on their situation, based on their situation, what happened to them. But then again, we have to see which area of work was given satisfaction to them. It's not about maybe. So if she is going through something very different, but in your lines she connecting herself into your shoes, she's feeling that yeah, it was with me, it was like me, I was like that. So but you don't know how was her situation, what was the best for her at that point of time. So she will giving you that sort of mind, so you don't have to jump on that conclusion from her response. So for me, what best I always suggest everybody, so when you are coming and writing there, you are in revival. So revival meaning is that you are gonna do something good, and I'm sure that some kind of advices you have been taking earlier, you've been asking around, you've been doing things, then you see this kind of platform, you see okay, here is a lot of people from the world, like they're facing through my situation. So you have a more confidence, because some give literally good suggestion there which has a really meaning of it. So it makes you feel more connected to this kind of platform where people don't know you personally. So some maybe your mistakes are there, maybe some kind of some matters are there going on which we don't know, but your family knows, which your relative knows. So when they give you some kind of suggestion, they know your character, so they will, based on that, they will treat you like you. If you are an angry person, but if you post it in group, we don't know how much of your anger level, so we giving you a based on our situation, our situatory responses, we are trying to dealing with you. So if you have those characteristic in you and you have been trying to asking around people who have make you disappointed because they know this person is a short tempered, I don't want to say anything, so they will just dealing with you like, okay, try your best, thank you so much, or kind of a thing that which is not making you satisfied to asking them something. So when you are in the group, you know here nobody know you, so what you receive the response also based on that only. So they have their own sweet responses to deal with your problem. So what my prospect is, because I find this is the best way to manifest our mind. I've been reading this word was quite long time, but then I was not sure what is this all about. But then when I started working on it without any spiritual kind of momentum or what, no, I just simply think, and I realize I've been thinking all the way like this. That's why my life getting better and better and better and reaching to the point where I can now I'm able to tell somebody. So this happens. मैं हर दफ़ा बोलती हूँ एंड आई विल से टुडे ऑल्सो कि मुश्किलें इतनी पड़ी हम पे कि आसान हो गई। तो वो मुश्किल जब आती थी, पहले मेरे पास कोई कॉल आ रहा होता था, कुछ होता था, मेरा दिल धड़कता था, आई फील ऑलवेज हार्ट रेसिंग एंड देन आई ऑलवेज सॉर्ट ऑफ काइंड लाइक something gonna happen. Now if the phone rings, if anything unusual happening, I will think in my heart, okay, let's see what is this, let's see what what will happen. I will deal with it. Before I knowing the problem, before I taking the call, I have made my manifest that I can deal with it, and I deal with it. I am very blessed and I am very happy and surprised, and I'm getting very cherish of thinking about those moments which I'm taking now decision through this mindset. Because last time it was like more dull, cough, fear, scared, and kind of a rush. I must tell you guys this one tip of the day for the whole this video of mine, that do not rush. This all the moments are going backwards, so every moment calm. You have heard this quote, specific quote, that keep calm and carry on. This is the best quote of my life manifesting, for my financial, for my soul and everything. So please, any issue you're gonna write there, peaceful, everything gonna be all right. Just think in your mind, I'm gonna ask and things will change, and this time is going. In this time, how much I'm stressing myself, how much I'm thinking about it, just bring it down. Just put it aside. If you can, postpone to tomorrow, which never comes. So you imagine if you are putting tomorrow your problem, how good it must be. So that's the way to do. So I hope today's clip is useful for you guys. Just remember few things. Number one, precise for yourself first. Just look at the mirror also, no problem. You just have to before you ask the question anywhere, you must check what I'm gonna ask, whether I will be able to deliver or not, or I am telling properly or not. Okay. And if you are in kind of a revival groups or a kind of a emotional state, so you just expect people are there from the same your mindset there. It's like the same thing, same vice versa. They either go through it, they are going through it, or something is making them feel that it's going to happen. So we all are at the same page there. So be firm for whatever you're going to share there, so you will get the help accordingly. And once you find something there, some light there, some kind of a beneficial comment, or which works for your life, which works for your concern, which was worth of posting, please share that with the people who are there, so they can always, can go through it. So like somebody posted one post, then do follow up for that, give response. I try my best to do this thing happen, I try to do until like this, and this thing happened, so please guide me, what should I do now? You can't get one answer in a one go. This is all the psychological matters, they take hours and hours, and this is quite costly also. Trust me, this is kind of we have a in Singapore we have $100 anxiety counseling session. They will just make you sit down and ask about what is your anxiety triggers. So how can you expect those ladies that can give you the best outcome of that? But this is authentic, this is going on through their life, and then they are sharing there. So I hope these points are workable, and we all can make it. We all are fantastic, we all are wonderful. And try to give the messages wherever you read any quote anywhere, please share, and whoever posting, whatever posting, please go and like it, because that's the generic way of spreading love. The moment you like the person who have posted it, it feels very good about it. You see, from which part of country you are making somebody happy, what else is the best thing, I think so try to express your emotion wherever you are happy, and try to spend every moment to search of happiness. Take out, remove, erase all sort of tension, worries, all take out. Please do that, and then you will start slowly coming to the peace, coming to the calmness, coming to the reaching to some sort of point which will make you definitely feel better, and you will be able to help others as well. So once again, thanks for watching, and I will bring more information regarding on our behaviors, regarding on our way of thinking. I'm not a professional in all this, but life has taught me quite a lot of lessons, which was throughout my life when I was very young. So until now I have different challenges. So last time I used to cry, I used to waste a lot of time. So now I'm not doing anymore, and I'm trying my best to tell everybody the past is going, every moment is going. Please make this one very good. Eat the best, wear the best. If you can't eat, imagine about it. If you can't wear, imagine about it. Just think. Once you start imagine, the things will start happening around you, and you will feel fantastic. I love you guys, and I'm hoping that you guys will do fantastic job on this mission to make yourself great. So I will bring more informative videos, and I'm gonna go now. I have a very important things today. Pray for me that my life is going through some kind of transitions. So I'm hoping it's gonna be fantastic for me too. So thanks you. Bye bye.